Hey everybody, I'm Adam Armstrong, VP of Strategic Partnerships at Specright, and I'm here with Alison Crawley from Trayak.
Hi everyone, I'm Alison Crawley. I'm Sustainability Consulting Manager and happy to be at the Specright booth at Pack Expo.
So Alison, I'm excited to talk with you a little bit about our partnership between Specright and Trayak. I guess tell me, what excited you about the partnership?
Yeah, we were so excited to partner with Specright and integrate our softwares together because we use so much of the same data, and if it's already housed in Specright, it's so easy and more time, it takes way less time to be able to integrate and pull data and calculate environmental impact metrics and give this data in real time rather than having to sometimes manually enter data within our system. So we were really excited to be able to use the data as it's already housed for conducting sustainability.
Nice. No, I think same reasons from us, and what I like to say is that over the last 7 years, sustainability has just increased so significantly in terms of prioritization for our customers, and especially over the last year. And they're all, either conducting LCAs or needing to.
Exactly.
And so the data is naturally in Specright, makes sense to connect it into Compass and facilitate that.
Yeah, and as you said, a lot of companies have these goals that they need to track progress towards, and they need to take the guesswork out of sustainability. They need to give this quantifiable data and get these results so that they're able to make holistic, good decisions that lead to less environmental impact in the long run, and having a all-encompassing solution just makes that even easier.
Yeah, no, I completely agree, and there's a number of things that seem like they're turning the corner, and like we were talking about earlier, we did a state of sustainability survey, and in 2019, only 32% of companies had budget for sustainability. In 2022, that skyrocketed all the way up to 80%.
Wow.
And so companies are actually putting budget behind these initiatives now, so that they can hit those goals.
Yes.
There's also, I think, a lot of overlap between customers that are already using Specright and using Compass.
Right.
And so it should be pretty natural. I guess, are there any trends that you've been seeing recently, maybe at the SBC Advance event or here at Pack Expo?
Yeah, I've been really intrigued by just the conversation about recyclability. A lot of companies have goals for 100% recyclability. And, the industry, of course, all of the infrastructure needs to meet those recovery requirements, but that's been exciting. And then I'm really intrigued about reuse and refill, just as I think it's a great strategy if it works in your business, and so those are really fun for us to kind of calculate the break-even point from single use to reuse, and some of the metrics are looking really promising.
Yeah, I agree, and in the demo that we were looking at before, just being able to pull in those metrics, put them in Specright, and then when you're making a new product development decision, deciding based on cost and on sustainability metrics, and you can see should we switch up this material, should we change this packaging system, and so not only from a holistic reporting standpoint, but individual product decisions. So I'm excited to bring this to companies. Feels like brands want this. I know a lot of them have 2025 and 2030 goals they need to hit. So hopefully they can come on to Specright and Compass together.
Definitely. You need to mainstream sustainability.
I love it. Thank you so much, Alison.
Thank you.